There is coming. Now yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ay, hoy!
It's coming more, eh?
Okay.
At least one climber was killed and 12 others, including an Indian, were injured when an avalanche struck them at the base camp of Mount Manaslu in Nepal on Monday. The rescue operations couldn't be carried out on Monday owing to the inclement weather, said Chang Dawa Sherpa of 7 Summit Treks Private Limited at the base camp of the mountain. The Department of Tourism confirmed that the avalanche hit at 11:30 am on Monday. According to the reports, local Sherpa climbers from 7 Summit Treks, Satori Adventure, Imagine Nepal Treks, Elite Expedition and 8K Expeditions among others were injured. Pemba Sherpa from 8K Expedition said that Indian climber Kaur and a Sherpa guide both suffered minor injuries but were safe, the report said. The tourism department is yet to establish contact with the officials at the incident site, the Kathmandu Post newspaper reported, quoting the director of the department. The avalanche struck the route just below the Camp 4 of Mountain Manaslu when the climbers were ferrying logistics to the high camps. Rescue operations are underway and various helicopter services are conducting the aerial searches. Government official for expeditions on Mount Manaslu, Yashoda Acharya, said that bad weather conditions at Mount Manaslu base camp were hindering the rescue efforts. 7 people have reportedly been rescued from the avalanche-hit areas of Mount Manaslu. 4 of them have been airlifted to Kathmandu as the weather permitted the rescue operations earlier this morning. Mount Manaslu, the world's 8th highest mountain and considered the 5th most dangerous peak, has claimed 53 lives of mountaineers from 297 attempts. According to a media report, renowned North Face athlete Hilary Nelson went missing just below the true summit of Mount Manaslu while her partner Jim Marison skied down the mountain on Monday morning. Nelson reportedly fell into a crevasse from just above the 4th summit of the mountain when she, along with Morrison, skied from the real summit this morning. Nelson fell down around 25 meters into the vertical crevasse and has gone missing, according to the Himalayan Times. A total of 404 people from 38 expedition teams have been issued permits to climb the mountain this season.
It's coming more, eh?
Okay.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.